All right, so let's look at the solutions for the previous exercise. What is the transaction code to create a goods receipt? The transaction code is MyGo. If you want to know what the transaction code is, go back, and this is how we have used goods receipt. So this is the transaction that you have used to create a goods receipt, right? So under purchasing, purchase order, follow on functions, goods receipt. What's the transaction code? MIGO. List all the storage locations associated with plant 3100. How do you know that? You could do it in two ways. You could look at all the storage locations in the purchase order, or you could do it in the goods receipt. We already know how to look at it in the goods receipt. So let's see where we have the storage location in the purchase order. So go to purchase order, change your display mode, and you could go here, scroll to the right, and then click on storage location. And the system will list all the storage locations associated with that plant. So what are these? So 001, 002, 088, 3101, so on and so forth, right? So let's list a couple of them now. So 0001, 0002, 0088, so on and so forth. There is a list of 8 items, 8 or 10 items. The next question is, do you have to enter quantity in MyGo? Create a transaction MyGo. Did you have to enter the quantity? Let's see. In order to test it, the easiest way is to create a purchase order and then do a goods receipt against it. So let's go back and create a purchase order. Let's use the same vendor and same set of data. Same material, whatever quantity. I'm going to tab all the way to the right and enter a plant 3100. Okay, and we're going to hit save. Double click the message, double click the PO, Control C, close this, go back and do a MyGo. Remember the quantity, it was 1. So now paste the purchase order here using Control V, hit enter, and what's the quantity? It's automatically pulled up. In fact, it's grayed out. You can go and change the quantity here. However, you can go and change the quantity here to something else if you want. But to answer this question, did you have to enter the quantity? No. Automatically pulled from PO. Right? The fourth question is, what is the error message you get when you save MyGo without flagging the item as OK? So if you go here and don't flag the item as OK and try to save it, what message do you get? You have not flagged any items as OK. Very simple error message, right? So the message that you get is, you have not flagged any items as OK. All right, that's simple. Fifth question, can you receive more quantity than ordered in the PO? We have ordered for a quantity of 1. Now we want to receive 2. Hit enter. Is that possible? Let's see. Okay, we should flag this as OK, then click save. Enter storage location. Of course, we enter 1. then click save. It's a hard error because it's red and it says ordered quantity exceeded by 1 kilo. So the answer is no. So what to do in cases like that? We'll talk about that in a later set of videos. The sixth question is, what is the transaction code to check the stock level? When we check the stock, what is the transaction code that we've used? So it's not under purchasing, but it's under inventory management, environment, stock, and the transaction code is MMBE. Okay, the transaction code to check the stock is MMBE. All right, that finishes up the solution for this exercise. And let's move on to how to create an invoice.